30 years, when I was a young boy. Now, like I say, I have 6 daughters and 15 grandkids already. So the years went by so fast. I have 15 grandkids and 2 on the way. So, wow. But I remember all the good days in Waikiki, in Hawaii. Every place in town, there's nightclubs, like all the entertainers, from Jessica Lima, Halsey Pauls, Melody, Andy Chanoa, and Andy Cummins, Queen Surf, and all these good places. Yeah. Now, for me to just memories all these entertainers, and they're all up there, some of them, with their anything. But anyway, I like to do this song. I watched a video, and my dad and the Sons of Hawaii, they were on the island of Maui in Hana, and they did this song, Le Nani. And I like to feature a hula dancer, Hana Bird. Ladies and gentlemen, this lovely lady right here, I took her with me in Japan, and we just did some tours there. But just so happy, she called me up. What are you doing this week? Made in Hawaii. At the Blaisdell. But anyway, I'm so happy to have her here with me, doing what we do good, hula and music. Yeah.